Hello friends, let us try to understand why do we see lightning before we hear thunder, an electrifying journey into the science behind one of the nature's most spectacular displays. Look at this picture. You can see the lightning coming from the sky on the ground. So lightning, see the path how it is. It is the path of least resistance. There is a large amount of electricity which is trying to come to the earth so that it will be balanced. Now zap it like static electricity. So remember when you shuffle your feet on carpet or got a little zap, when you touch something, that's static electricity in action. You might have experienced this. If you sit on a plastic chair, you get a zap. That is static electricity. Your body is made up of many type of particles, atoms, molecules, ions, and they are constantly having electrical discharges. Now remember, the clouds also have ions and dust particles and water molecules, ice crystals. So, how does the storm cloud get charged up? Because of the friction between the particles, large amount of charge is produced. At the top of the cloud, it is positive. At the bottom, there is negative. It needs to be balanced. Now, big spark of lightning. When the charge in the clouds get really, really strong, they need to escape. Remember, everything is balance. You do things to attain stability. When you are sitting, you are unstable. When we are sleeping, you are stable because they are at lower energy. So, same way, the clouds have high amount of energy. They need stability. They need balance. That's why they discharge it. So they need to escape. They create giant sparks of electricity that jump from one cloud to another, or it can be from cloud to ground. Remember, from one cloud to other cloud, or from cloud to ground. The spark is what we call lightning. It's a super bright, super hot, 50,000 degree Fahrenheit light that we see. Very high temperature. It's 5 times hotter than the surface of the sun. It's very hot. You can't imagine. It lights up the air. The lightning bolt is incredibly hot. When air gets heated up, it expands very quickly. Boom, that's thunder. Think of it like an explosion. The air gets pushed out so much of force that creates a powerful sound waves that we can hear miles away. Now, why do we see the lightning first and hear the thunder later on? That is because the difference in speed of light and sound. Light travels at an incredible speed, 3 lakh kilometers per second, and sound is around 340 meters per second. So it's very slow. So because light is so much faster, you can see the bright flash instantly, and it takes some time for you to hear the thunder. Now, how far away is the storm? So what you can do? You can watch for the lightning and count the seconds until you hear the thunder. For every 5 seconds, the storm is 1 mile away. For example, if you count 10 seconds, the lightning and thunder between them, the storm is about 2 miles away. And if you count 15 seconds, it's 3 miles away. Now, if there is a storm, there is thunder and lightning, you have to stay at home, stay inside. Thunderstorms can be exciting, but we need to be safe. Go inside when you hear the thunder. Stay inside, not under the trees or open fields. There you are dangerous. It's dangerous. You can take shelter in a building or a car. You are safe there. Keep learning, wondering about the amazing world of science. Keep asking questions to everything. And remember, when thunder roars, go indoors. Thank you very much.